What's going on, everybody? Have I got a lesson for you today? We're going over some classic neo soul. All right, you want to know how to get that neo soul sound? This is the lesson for you. We're gonna go over the song. We're gonna play along with it at the end. I'm gonna give you a hint. I'm gonna give you a hint. It's all you got to do is say yes. Oh, you might not be able to hear a lot of guitar in the song, but we definitely gonna find some in it, man. This has been a special request from one of my good friends, one of the good friends here in the community. So we gonna give it to him. All you got to do is say yes. Oh my goodness! And this song, man, I'm trying to look. I want to break it down simple. All right, I'm gonna break it down simple, and then we're gonna dig a little deeper. Okay, we're gonna dig a little deeper. So y'all make sure you stay tuned because where we start ain't gonna be where we finish. But by the end of this video, we're gonna play along with the song and apply the things that we learn. All right, I gotta teach you some basic theory. All right, if you want to play some neo soul, you need to know a little bit of music theory. You need to know a little bit of. You need to know why it worked the way it worked, baby. All right, look, you're in the right place today, man. So look, let's go over this. This song is in the key of A flat. All right, I'm gonna call it key of A flat. If you don't like it, do something about it. No, I'm just playing. I don't want you to come and meet me nowhere. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I mean, look, if you don't like it, let's talk about it in the comments. Help me understand a little bit better, okay? Um, so we're in the key of A flat, okay? We're in the key of A flat. Now, neo soul and R&B, we like major sevens and we like minor sevens, all right? Now, if you know some nines and some 13s and stuff, that's even better, all right? All right, but I want to keep it plain and simple. Look, I mean, if you want to play this song on one string, you're gonna learn today. You're gonna learn today. The song is in key of A flat, but we're gonna start off. Let's start off on the four. So we got look, I'm gonna put a link up here. All right. If you tap up there, you can go and learn the key of A flat. All right, but real quickly, we gonna go over real quick. We got A flat, all right, B flat minor, C minor, D flat major. What's this? E flat major, and then we got F minor. All right. And then you might want to do a G diminished. Okay. And those are the chords, and you can use them. You can use all them chords right here on this song. You can, and I'll tell you, it's gonna work fine. It's gonna work good. Okay. So let's learn. Let's learn. All right. Look, I'm gonna put some shapes. I'm gonna put the chord shapes up here. So look, here we got this song. Like I said, D flat major 7. Remember this shape. Listen, this shape right here is movable. It's movable. So that's an E flat major 7. Wherever you move it, let's look. Look where that finger is right there, and whatever note that's on, that's what defines it, okay? All right, let's hit this A flat. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, that sounds good. Whoa, wait. Oh, you might be on to something now. You might be on to something there. Hold on, hold your horses. Let's look. All right, those are all the majors, okay? So the major, we got the 1, the 5, and the 4. Those are major. Look, you gotta learn that number system. You gotta learn that number system. We playing major 7 shape. That's what that is, okay? Here's a major shape, and you can get away with that. Here's a dominant shape. They're all movable. Wherever you want to take them to, just look where that finger is right there. We doing roots on the 5th string or the 8th string, okay? All right, roots on that 8th string. All right, so let's learn a minor chord rooted on the 8th string. All right, maybe that's be what we do today. Just roots on the 8th string. I know I played some other chords here. Let's see. I ain't trying to jumble you up. I want to keep it good for you. I want to keep it good. Now we're going to a minor. Okay, let's go to a minor. Here's the 3. So if this the 4, it's a half step. Listen, I'm telling you, this lesson up here, if you click on it, you'll learn, and it'll be easy to understand what I'm talking about. That's a 3, okay? And that's a minor. 2, 3, and 6 are minor. Ooh. We already playing the song. Y'all don't even know it yet. And then the 6 will be this F. Ooh, that, my goodness, that just sound good, don't it? Hold on. So look, let's play the scale. So we got We got let's do this A major. All right. So let's just go to the 6 from here. We'll walk backwards to that E flat. I like that dominant 7 right there. Major 7, D flat, C minor 7. Oh, y'all on to something. Then we right back where we started. We right back where we started. Okay. So once again. If you can play them chords, we finna play this song and you finna have a good old time. We finna mix everything in, okay? You could probably get away. You could probably get away now. Now you need to talk with your band members and make sure y'all all on the same page. But you could probably get away with. Remember, since it's A flat, we can play this F minor scale or A flat major pentatonic scale or F minor pentatonic scale. They the same thing. It's just starting points and end points. That's the only difference. All right. Ooh, if you got a whammy, you that thing. Or what if we did? Now I know that's strange because that G is supposed to be diminished, but it just sometimes you can do what you want to if it sounds good, okay? Don't come looking for me. Don't come looking for me. Ooh. Let's do this. Ooh. So we got this. That's the 7. So, well, look. Let's see. We'll see if we can get along with. We don't want to do too much. I know that's gonna sound good. And then walk it down. Oh, they gonna be like, "Why you bad on that guitar?" That's what they gonna say. They go. Remember, that you got some play around stuff here. The play around stuff, okay? Same thing. And you can still, so you can go. That's making it, I think that's a 6. No, that's a 9, excuse me. That's putting that 9 on there. It's a 2. At the bottom makes it a 9, or at the top makes it a 9. All right, so, what we got? Let's see what sounds good, y'all. I think y'all ready to play along. I think because there's all kind of stuff we can do. Okay, let's see what fits. Let's see what works. Now, like I said, you gotta be agreeing with y'all. Your band, they need to know what you're doing. You know, especially you playing these thick strings up here and stuff. If you're playing by yourself, you good all day. But look, if somebody's singing, they need to be the highlight. Okay, all right, they need to be the highlight. I'm just trying to help somebody. Let's go through it. Let's go through it. Ah. Whew. Let me check my volume. Oh, we good. What's that? Oh, you hear that? Starting off on 7. Ah, that was my fault. Let's do it again. Starting off on. Ooh, let's take it from here. Listen. It still work. I don't know why. Don't ask. Oh, what do you start off on that? Ooh. Look, all right, I'm gonna teach you something real easy. I got you something real easy. How about this? How about this? How about this? How about this? Let's do this. Let's see. Okay, how about this? Look, all you gotta do. Or let's see. We can do this. Let's see if we can do this. What you wanna do? What you wanna do? Y'all just play. Let's do that G minor 7. Oh, that's good, right? Play that A. All right, see, you hear how that starts sounding muddy? What we can do, we just go. Let's try. You can play D flat major scale. How about that? Oh, that's almost D flat major. Play that A flat major. Oh, it's over. Oh man. Oh, it's over. I can't believe it's over. My goodness, y'all, that was good. Man, that was good, man. Look, if y'all like that lesson, make sure y'all hit the like button. Hop in the comments. Let me know what you like to play better on this, okay? Let me know. And there's some easy stuff. You know, of course, you got triads and stuff. Let's see, what's the triad you can do? You can do this D right here. Let's real quick. Let's go over some triads. See, if you stay tuned, you get a little bonus. Get a little bonus round. Let's see. Some triads. Here's that G. And then we can do that D right here. All right. That's easy. Look. You can do it like this. So it can be. Easy. Let's see. Okay, there's my B flat right there. So it could go, oh, that sound good, didn't it? Let's see. Okay, there's my A flat. That's my 1. So we got my 7, minor 7. I mean, not minor 7, 7 minor. That's what it's supposed to be. So let's see. You can do that if you want to. Oh, oh. uh, yeah, that's it. All I'm doing, you can do that. Yeah, that's my D. You want that 7. See? Or you can do let's see, you can do this. Excuse me. That's not right. That might actually work though. Cause all I'm doing is I'm just breaking down. So and then excuse me. Woo. Oh, what we got? What we got? That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Oh, it's supposed to be over. It's supposed to be over, y'all. Thank y'all for coming in. Thank you for staying tuned. I hope this helps somebody in their neo soul journey. All right. Look, I mainly do gospel, but tell me how y'all like this lesson. How y'all got this? Y'all like this lesson? Do y'all got any special requests? I'm trying to break some songs down. I'm trying to get better. I'm trying to learn this year. PJ guitar is going to the next level. All right. I want you to come to the next level with me. All right. Let's step it up. Let's get better. Continue practicing. Play your guitar. Make you some music. Share this music. Share what you're playing. Share it. It's meant for somebody else. All right. I love y'all, man. God bless you. Heaven smile all over you.